Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing something really cool in the RC industry. This is a smoke generator. I've been wanting something like this for a long time. This is a kit I picked up off of eBay. It was $25, free shipping. I got it delivered to my house within a couple days. No issues at all. We're going to be opening it up, taking a look at what's inside, and giving it a test run on my Traxxas Mini E Revo. The reason I decided to test it out on this RC is because I have my receiver exposed and I can easily plug in a regular 2S LiPo to test this out, just to see if the thing actually works and we are able to get some smoke out of the system. You also, if you're thinking of you're going to be installing it on something like this, you should probably think again. A lot of these WL Toys RCs have a 2-in-1 combination receiver and ESC, and you simply just do not have the regular power wires just like here. So you do need these kind of connections to install this kit. Okay, so let's take a look at what's inside here. It's packaged pretty nicely. It's a simple looking kit, and what you get is the control box itself. This is the actual exhaust pipe, and it does have a red LED inside. We'll take a look at it. The actual fill port is really cool. It's this little rubber grommet right here. So you just simply fill in a little bit of oil that they include for you right here, and you should be good to go for about 20 to 30 minutes of runtime from basically 1 milliliter of oil. These are not that expensive. You can get it on eBay for about $8. I think you could actually use any oil that isn't flammable, so you probably can use just regular vegetable oil. I don't know for a fact at this time, but I will let you guys know in the comments later on. Let's take a look at the rest of the stuff included here. We have our regular instructions with a pretty normal looking kind of picture layout. It's actually written pretty good English. It is not totally terribly translated. So this is the mounting hardware. We're not going to be installing it right now. We're just basically going to go for a test run to see if this stuff even works. Got a couple of wires and extensions here. Let's see what it is. Okay, so this is the one we're going to be using. Just give me a minute here. I'm going to plug it all up and we'll see actually how this system operates. This is just an extension cable for your balance lead plug, because this will be plugged into the 2S balance port. So let me just go ahead and do it already. As you can tell, I have a regular 2S LiPo here. It's plugged into my ESC. So first thing you got to do is connect your 2S LiPo port here. Okay, so it's connected, and we only have one extra connection. The other connection will be the splitter. So basically this will be modulated based on the amount of throttle that you receive. So the more throttle you have, the more smoke that will be coming out of here. So first thing, actually, let me just fill up some oil in this system here. Okay. Okay, so I gave it a squeeze. Let's do one more. That should be fine. I'm not filling the system up all the way. Let's close it back up. And these are really small pieces here, so you gotta be really careful. Okay, so filled it up. Nothing shaking in there. It's pretty much good for now. All right, set the soil to the side and connect the rest of our connector here. Okay, so this is gonna be plugged in to this port, and now the rest of the connection will be the throttle from the ESC. We plugged in instead of the receiver as you normally have it, right? You're going to plug it into the splitter. Make sure you have your colors here correct. All right, and this will be plugged into the receiver unit itself as originally it should have been from the ESC wire. Okay, so now I just have all of this stuff a little bit exposed, but it doesn't matter. We're only basically just testing out the smoke and to see whether it in fact does anything. Okay, so power on my remote and the RC. Let's see what happens to this. Okay, so it's making some noise. LED is flashing. I can already see a good amount of smoke being produced here. This is just idle. So at idle, this is what we have. Really cool. Look how fast that actually works. The smoke doesn't have any scent. Doesn't smell at all. Pretty nice. Let me give it some throttle right here. Let's see what happens. Alright, that was about half throttle. You can tell the smoke is coming out pretty steadily. It's a cool little flashing red LED. I mean, for $25, I don't know how you can go wrong with this accessory. This is way cooler than, you know, fake disc brakes that people used to put on their drift cars a long time ago. And as I said, one little container, well, not this container, but 1 milliliter version supply of oil in here is good for about 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm touching it, it's not hot. This basically feels like a little pump inside here. Not smelly, pretty cool. Look at this. So you can mount this on the back of anything. Let's say you put this on the back of your Mini E-Revo or any kind of cool RC drift car. This would be really nice. Look at that. And as you're driving along, of course, the smoke would move as in a regular car. And this would be quite a cool scale accessory. There it is, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. If you want to see me mount this on an actual drift vehicle and give it a go, I will. So thanks so much for watching. Till next time.